Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can link your Discord account to your Rockstar Games account so you can claim your free $500,000 in GTA 5 Online. This feature literally just dropped like 30 minutes ago, so make sure you follow along step by step. Open up your browser. In the search bar, search for discord.com, and just like that, simply open up Rockstar Game Server. Rockstar just posted their official Discord server saying available now. Link account reward. Get $500,000 reward in GTA Online for linking Discord to your Rockstar Games account. And below that, they included instruction with a button to start linking process. All you have to do is simply tap on this link right over here and then tap on visit link. This will send you to socialclub.rockstargames.com. And just like that, log in to your Rockstar Games Social Club account. And just like that, once logged in, your page will look something like this. Scroll below, then under linked accounts, you will be able to find Discord. Simply tap on link account beside it, and a new window will appear asking which Discord account you want to link. Simply select the account, then tap on link account again. Discord will now show you what permission Rockstar will have, which is only your username, avatar, and banner. So press on authorize, and just like that, choose your account visibility. You can choose it to everyone, then tap on continue. Now as you can see, your accounts are officially linked. Now go back to Rockstar Discord server, return to the Discord channel where you saw the reward message, and all you have to do is simply claim. Just like everyone else in the chat is doing, type in /claim command, and once the bot responds, click on activate special offers. And just like that, it will confirm with a message like account confirmed. Your reward will be delivered within 72 hours of logging in, limited to 1 reward per account. That means you are good to go. Now you can launch GTA 5 online, and after logging into your account, you will see Rockstar says it can take up to 72 hours, so just log in again and later it should appear. And that's it, your account are linked and your reward is claimed. And you should see the $500,000 in your bank soon. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.